Hello! In this video we're going to discuss registering transmitters via Spreadsheet to your Tapwatch Gateway site. Let's start off by adding our site by clicking the Add Site button. From here, you can fill out the site name, property ID, time zone, address, and any other notes that you might find helpful. If you leave the time zone blank, it's going to default to GMT. And once you're done filling out all of your information, you can then click Add Site. From here, we'll be presented an option to download the Quick Site Setup template. You'll save this to your computer to a convenient location. Generally, it'll save to a Downloads folder for your specific browser. Now that we've added the site, we can see it show up in our property list. Now that we have our spreadsheet open, we can begin filling out the required information. Using a spreadsheet can make this a quicker process because you can copy and paste the majority of the common information throughout the spreadsheet, saving time. As you're filling out your spreadsheet, you want to make sure to leave the TXID field blank, since we'll be populating that by scanning in the transmitters via the barcode scanner. Once you have completed manually entering in all your unit information into the spreadsheet, we can move on to scanning our transmitters in via the barcode scanner. Open up your transmitter bulk box and take out all the packaging so that way you're able to start scanning in all your transmitters to the appropriate units. Don't forget to make sure you're labeling all your transmitters with the appropriate unit information, so that way when they're installed into each unit, they are going into the appropriate unit that they are registered to in your system. As you scan each barcode, you'll see them starting to populate into the TXID field within your spreadsheet. At this time, double check to make sure each transmitter is going to the appropriate unit. Now we can register our repeaters as well via the spreadsheet. You can either manually enter in the TXID or you can scan them in with a barcode scanner as well. From here you can select the repeater model from the drop-down menu. And we can also add any information such as the location of the repeaters for future reference. We'll now save our spreadsheet to a convenient location on our computer. Then we'll navigate back to our property list, select the appropriate property and click Import. We'll then locate the saved file and then import the spreadsheet to the site configuration. Now that we've imported our site information, let's go ahead and verify everything was successful. If we click on Setup, we can see that we have the building with all the appropriate units, and we can confirm everything is there. From here, you can always add more units or add additional buildings, or you can do this in the spreadsheet as well. You can even edit a building or remove a building as well. If we go over to Network, we can add further repeaters in or add our gateway. Clicking Add Gateway will allow us to register the gateway to this site. You'll fill out the appropriate information by selecting the proper models, entering in your authorization code, then you can add in any other location information or other notes about the gateway. Once you add your gateway, you are finished registering and setting up your site via the Import-Export option. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.